Common mistake in prime number checking in C++, why your code only outputs 2. If your C++ code is only outputting the number 2 when checking for prime numbers, you are likely encountering a logical error in your implementation. Let's delve into the intricacies of prime number detection and illustrate a correct method for this task. What is a prime number? A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisors other than 1 and itself. For instance, the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. Common mistake, why only 2? Typically, when a C++ program only outputs 2 while checking for primes, it may be due to improperly constructed condition checks in the loop that determines if the number has any divisors. Consider this faulty prime checking function. In this erroneous code, the loop runs from 2 to n, which includes n itself. This makes every number return false, except for 2. The above implementation incorrectly handles cases where n is divided by itself. Correct implementation of prime check. A proper function to check if a number is prime should look like this. Explanation. Early return for non-primes, we directly return false for n less than or equal to 1. Optimized loop, the loop checks for factors only up to n/2, this significantly reduces unnecessary iterations, thus optimizing performance while maintaining accuracy. Usage example. When using this function to check for prime numbers within a range, you might do something like this. Conclusion. By identifying and correcting the logical error in your prime checking loop, you ensure that your C++ code accurately determines prime numbers. Remember, the key is avoiding unnecessary checks by halting the loop at n/2 and ensuring that the loop conditions correctly encompass the divisor checks without including the number itself, apart from 1 and itself. With the corrected function, your output will now correctly reflect which numbers are primes in a given range.